Hello, my lovely people, and welcome to One-on-One TV. As it be like this, our two Nollywood actors wey enter boxing ring some days ago. As it be now, they don't settle their fight. This Jim Iyke sit down on his own, jejely, na there Uche come outside. They talk say he won't question Jim Iyke source of wealth. Say how Jim Iyke take get his own money? Say because he know say Jim Iyke money no pure. So shebi na the same acting, two of them they act. Say himself na actor, Jim Iyke self na actor. And he know say money no today inside this program where they do, inside this film where they act. So how be say any small thing, Jim Iyke don't buy flights. Say they travel go here. Any small thing, he don't buy motor. Say na so hush puppy self start to. And say because of this one, if Jim Iyke no come talk waiting be source of him wealth. In fact, him don't finalize say wait Jim Iyke na ritualist. For people who no get the opportunity to watch this one, I give now the opportunity to follow me watch him.
Ah, oh boy, see me. Best dress.
Look at my shoe. Just check out my shoe.
Look at my dress. If I tell you how much I buy this clothes,
Look at me. Just look at me.
I don't even understand why they never put me for best dress for Nollywood or for Nigeria. Every time, Hush Puppy, every time, Cubana, every time, Jim Iyke. You know, not wasting that they do to make their money. Do you know what they do? Shebi now, they don't catch Hush Puppy. They don't catch him now. They go catch others. Just wait, especially that Jim Iyke. I won't make them catch him. Small thing, he will disappear. You don't go see him. Before you know, you don't come back. Money full everywhere. What is he doing? What are you doing for living? I'm sure that Jim Iyke is a ritualist. If he's not a ritualist, where does he get money? He go buy motor. Go and look at the car he's driving. Go and look at it. The expensive. How much? Where is he making it? Me, I make my money legally. Now I hear say Jim Iyke no fit enter America. Why? Because you don't go do people wayo. I'm praying they will catch you very soon. Tell us how you make your money. Come and tell us. They will catch you very soon.
Just look at me. I'll be going on a movie location now. Check out my shoe.
If I tell you how much I buy them, I'm the best. I'm the best dressed. Make all these people make them come up, make them retire, make them leave us. We don't know how they make their money. Jim Iyke, do you know how he make his money? Cubana, you know how he make his money? They don't catch us puppy now. They will catch Jim Iyke very soon.
And I don't see I see say this guy now he just use his mouth call trouble. Now after this guy can't go talk this, I don't know the kind God we can't decide say make these two people go meet. Hey, as they meet, this guy still can't get moral. Uche still get mouth. He no fear Jim Iyke. He still can't they talk for him presence. Say this guy money no pure. And say as he be if saying getting ways and power, he go find EFCC. Say make EFCC come boss Jim Iyke now there before we go see. But I can't just start to they fly upright and center. Now there Jim Iyke start to they beat this guy anyhow. For those of us who don't watch this ringing fight, my people I beg, make you follow me watch.
You think I won't find you? Me, I'm sworn in real life. Please, I'm sworn in real life. How did you know that I'm here? Wait. Why did I know you're here? You think I won't find you? You think is my brother around? Is not around? You allow this animal to see what he's doing here? EFC will carry you for this way you come here. You know they are looking for you. What is he doing here? Are you mad? Are you mad? My phone is right out. You sue me. You sue me. What did you wait for? You sue me. Yes, you bring him out. Okay, you know what? I want to talk to you. Okay, are you holding me? Maybe you think you have one to be here.
Hold it.
Hey, now what for this kind of fight? If no be say Uche go wrong, but I sure say by now, in this go don't break into two. Because he be like say Jim Iyke don't ready for it. He carry everything with full force. But anyway, as he be like this, Jim Iyke don't talk say he don't forgive Uche. Say in fact, he no carry matter again for her. Say everything when he talk, he don't forgive him. Say but the only problem when he gets with Uche now say make Uche no dey come outside. They mock celebrities. Say the way when they come outside, they can't talk about anybody, he go just come out. Anything when he feel like he go talk, say and people know they attack him. That will not me say himself can't get the right to come outside they talk this one. Now waiting make Jim Iyke can't decide to go attack him. For those of now we don't watch where Jim Iyke talk this one, make na follow me watch.
But can quick something before Ngava. Onye may have onye nwe Uche. You're a very intelligent man. You know, sometimes only make when for fun, but another got the cost and effect of it on him. So kind of judge now too harshly because the buying, we can't deal while opening 191 at the end of the day. After now, what a meaji 18 year old fuck, we go fuck. So more I forgive, we go forget. Now I forgive him because as a leader, as a man older than him, bro, my action I draw 100% pure, even if it's justified. So in that light, now I forgive him. Say okay, no more about that. He looks up to me and say, "Now, okay, he use okay, chukunye, in first class uche. He use one, I obra mistake na fakibuche."
Wahala for person wey no hear Igbo, but anyway, all together, everything where they talk in conclusion are waiting. Say they don't settle this fight. I hope say Uche go learn in lesson because we know say this guy with this red bra, I don't know behind the bra they confusing brain. He sabi put mouth for waiting no consign am. Person matter you go see say this guy cho he don't carry and they talk about him. I sure say this one now as they don't help and reset him brain. He be like saying go calm down small. He go stop to the talk person matter and I hope say this one self you go is a learn. I myself I be the reason say Jimmy for no front. He for just carrying lawyer. Say make they go arrest this guy because by then this guy go know say level past level because by the time when go spend money finish, he go know say some actor they no be their mates. But anyway, as I don't settle this one, as you talk say you don't forgive her, we self your action what you take, we don't forgive you. For my people, now here I go end this matter. If you not get anything talk about them, make a write them inside the comment section. Make a stay tuned for the next video.